Hello everyone. Welcome back to the IELTS vocabulary series by Tracks. In each of my previous videos, I taught you 3 new vocabulary words for English which you can use especially for your writing tasks of IELTS. In this video again, I'm going to share with you 3 words. The first word for today is gazebo. G-A-Z-E-B-O or G-A-Z-E-B-O. Gazebo is a shelter with a roof and open sides. You can construct a sentence of gazebo like this. Imran waited out the downpour under the gazebo. The second word for today is tinder. T-I-N-D-E-R. Tinder is dry, flammable material used for lighting fire. A sentence can be constructed like this. Joseph gathered dry grass for tinder. The third word for today is potable, which means suitable for drinking. We spell potable as P-O-T-A-B-L-E. You can construct a sentence with the word potable. A large portion of population in Africa does not have access to potable water. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our social media, and join Tracks.